For coated material, click the Advanced button, then the Coatings Options tab at the top of the Configurator menu. Select your coating type from the drop-down menu and then your color. It is critical to select both the coating type and coating color. Otherwise, the product will be configured as standard. Click Finish to add this configured product to your cart. If you require a product with flanges, toggle the Advanced Options button, select Non-Gasketed from the Gasket drop-down, and then click the Flange Options tab at the top of the Configurator menu. Here you can select attached or loose flanges for each end of the product. If your product does not require flanges, you can skip this step. There is no need to select No Flange. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.